Keep it 100.
Y'all, I just decided to make a video. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't posted in a while. Y'all probably wanna like, where have you been? Where have you been? Where I been at? I've been chilling. I've been doing other things. And you know what I'm saying? I've been working. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I know y'all miss me. So go ahead and say you miss me in the comments. Don't be rude, cause you know you miss me. If you miss me, you miss me. But anyways, the reason why I'm making this video is, y'all, I just got showered, just did my hair. I just put it like curly and my little edges and whatever. I don't know, I just did something today. Because we ain't going nowhere for a reason. We're not going nowhere at all. Because today, y'all, we had an ice storm today, y'all. An ice storm. I won't supposedly say it was an ice storm because, like, it just snowed outside. Yeah, it's crazy how snow just automatically appears outside when you wake up in the morning. Like, I was up all last night, but I ain't snow. I go to sleep, I wake up, look out the window, yeah, it is pouring out, snowed outside. I'm like, that is crazy. So it's like, it always been crazy to me how snow just appear from the sky like that. I don't know, y'all think the same thing too? Let your girl know, let me know. But I'm gonna show y'all what outside is looking like. You feel me? This ain't gonna be no long video, nothing. Just me talking to y'all about what's been happening. And yeah, really just been working, doing other things. Y'all gotta understand us influenced to have other things to do. We have a life too. We have more than just always gotta pick up a camera and post, you know what I'm saying? So it's like other things we have to do too. Hope y'all understand that. Because like us influencers, we're the same as y'all. The same people. No difference. We just record ourselves on YouTube, but we have other things to do. We have a life as well. So hope y'all understand that. But I'm gonna go outside and show y'all how it's looking out there. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all miss me, let me know you girl miss me because I'm being for real. If you miss your girl, let me know. I know I've been gone. I know. But I've been on TikTok though. I've been on Instagram though. So I ain't been gone. I still been on somewhere. But I'm gonna get back to y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Hold up. Crazy. Like so. Like y'all, I was asleep. I woke up seeing this outside, y'all. All this snow right here. It's imagine crazy. Y'all hear like the drops? And that's not just snow, y'all. That is like ice. Like, look at that, y'all. It's just crazy. Crazy how it just automatically starts snowing, y'all. It's cold, but it's not that cold out here. But me out here trying to record, y'all, this is crazy. It is snowing. It's crazy to me. Like, it was not snowing at first, y'all. Like, I know it comes from the sky, but it's like, gosh, all this snow is just... Y'all, look at this person trying to leave. Hold on. Y'all see this? Not somebody trying to leave the crib. Trying to drive in the snow? Yeah, that ain't good. That ain't good. Y'all, let me go ahead and post this on Snapchat and store. But y'all do see that, though, right? Y'all see this, right? Yeah, this snow is so, so heavy. And I'm tripping because, like, it's just a lot of snow. It is freezing. I'm gonna go back inside. When I say back inside, it is cold. I might make a little TikTok out here, so make sure y'all go to my TikTok. So, but y'all make sure y'all stay tuned or whatever. I just get back to y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and just freaking snow right here, y'all. It's just unbelievable. Just so unbelievable, y'all. How it just came from nowhere. I'm gonna keep saying the same thing. So, I'll see y'all later. Let me know where y'all at, and did it snow where y'all at too? What's up, y'all? So right now, y'all, I'm in the kitchen finna cook some breakfast for my man because apparently, y'all, can't do nothing, can't go nowhere. It is snowing outside. Who's gonna go out there and there's snow? Nobody. Well, some people is, but we're not. We're just chilling and watching Terrifier on Tubi TV. But I'm gonna cook him some breakfast, so y'all just continue watching. I don't know how long this video will be. Yeah, it just ended for some reason. But y'all, I'm cooking my man some breakfast, as I said. I got the eggs are in the bowl. I'm whipping it up. Yeah, feel me? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. And then we got the thick cut bacon right here. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, we're gonna put them in the air fryer, by the way, y'all, right here. So we got the little air fryer thing, we're gonna put them in here. So
You only drop boys. Boys, boys, boys.
That's not true. That is a girl right there. Look at that.
y'all, let me know if it's snowing where y'all at right now. Where are y'all at? Let me know.
She's not a secret.
Cause I'm curious. Like, I'm curious.
Okay, be a faster man.
Yeah, I didn't really thought it was gonna snow for real. I did, but then it was like,
That's secret.
nah, I don't think it's gonna do nothing for real. But it actually snowed, and that's crazy for real.
I'll tell you what, though.
That's crazy.
As soon as I finish with this comic,
Yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I think I ain't been posting on YouTube in a minute. How long y'all think it been? Let me know.
okay.
Because not gonna hold you. I feel like it's been about a month or so.
Cece,
You feel?
wait a minute.
I just got out the bunk bed, 3 million cash. Can't fit none in my hand. It's something on my head. Oh. Yeah, if y'all wonder what I'm listening to, my phone was just going off. My ringtone is Pooh Shiesty. That new Pooh Shiesty song, y'all, that junk hit hard for real. First day out, that junk hit hard. Let me know how y'all like that Pooh Shiesty song, Stamp It. That junk hit hard. No doubt.
Got it.
Alright, we got the bacon in there. Okay, cool.
That was.
We got that in there. I'm gonna throw it away, y'all.
Okay.
Y'all, not gonna lie, I just decided to put my hair like this today. Normally it'd be in a slick back, but I was like, hey, I'm not finna do nothing. So I'm like gonna curl it, put it down, wet it. And yes, let my hair be free. Y'all feel me? I'm talking about in it. And if you want the, you gotta spin it. He come here. No, he didn't. But yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, we ain't doing nothing. Just chilling today, so I ain't gonna lie, I don't wanna give y'all no boring vlog, give me talking all day. A lot of y'all probably like to listen to me talk, but I feel like talking will boil a person out for real. I don't know if y'all think the same, but that's just me. So I'm just cooking breakfast for my man and cooking me something to eat. We just chilling, watching TV. Nothing too much. It's snowing. I mean, you can't go nowhere. It's too much out there. Who finna step outside? No. I heard. What? You said what? Y'all, that's how they come back because I was outside in the snow. I said step outside is driving. Ain't nobody finna do all that, y'all. They trying to get off real bad. I ain't never said I finna jump in the snow. I did go outside. Y'all seen my TikTok. Yes, I did went outside. Not gonna hold y'all. Okay, cool. But my boyfriend, he was talking about some going taking his car to drift in the snow, y'all. Like he crazy to think that. Like what? Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, it's fun. But what? You know, I ain't gonna say. I'm gonna keep my opinions to myself, y'all. Babe, okay, cool. Okay, cool. But yeah, y'all, you just chilling, vibing out type stuff, you know. Snowed in or whatever you want to call it, yeah, feel. So, yeah. Y'all, what y'all be cooking for breakfast? Let me know. I'm curious. I want to know what y'all be eating and what y'all be cooking in the kitchen, yeah. But yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna just finish cooking my man breakfast for him. After that, cook me something to eat, chill, watch the video. So today, I ain't finna do nothing. Like I say, ain't nothing to do. It's snowing outside. So if y'all enjoyed today's video, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you're new to my channel, subscribe below. And let me know what other videos y'all want to see. Cause I'm trying to post back, but like I say, I be busy. us influencers, we're human beings like y'all too. We got other things to do instead of picking up a camera and recording, you feel me? So let me know what videos y'all want to see. I got y'all. Like, YouTube never stopping. That's one thing. I might be busy, but who said I'm stopping YouTube? Ain't nobody said that, but let me know what bangers y'all want to see. You know I got y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Of course I can post now, because I mean, snowed in for some days until the snow clear up. So hey, y'all, most definitely let me know what videos y'all want to see. Y'all, the TV sound a lot loud right now. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Like I said, watch it, Terrifier, if y'all know what that is. But yeah, snowed in. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Shanti, love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Gang, okay, cool.